Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do the video cutting and I will merge the video after we do the cutting. First of all, we need to import the video. Just click and just open. And this is the video clip. You may pull your video to the timeline. Yes, that's it. Okay. So we zoom in a little bit. Zoom in a little bit. This is the blue color line. You may pull the blue color line and then to view faster on your video. So imagine if let's say now I want this video from here to here. Yeah, I just need this part. So what you need to do is going to here, razor tool, okay, or press button C on your keyboard. There's a shortcut key, button C. Yes, see, equal to cut. Cut. We need to cut out. Okay, we need to cut the video. We just press it here, and yeah, till here. Okay, and just press it one more time. Yeah, so this part is the part that I want. So just press selection tool, or I press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Okay, and I pull the video up to the V2. This is the V2, this is the V1. Okay, V2 is the video clip that I want. And we move to the next clip. Yeah, I want this clip from maybe from here. Yeah, we start from here. Okay, just press hit C button. Just press it here one more time. And going to here. Yeah, this part. I want this part. Press one more time. And then just press V keyboard. There's a shortcut key V. And pull the video up. The last one. Yes, I want this part to this part. So I starting from here, I press C on my keyboard and click here. And until here, this part I want. I just click here. And I press button C on my keyboard. I just pull my video clip up to the V2. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, yes. So you may see the V1 is the video clip I cut out. I wanted to cut out. So this is the V2 is the video clip that I want. So the V1 I don't want. I just you may pull everything. Okay, press button V. You may pull all the video clip and just press delete button on your keyboard. Yes, it's already deleted. So there's an empty column. Now we need to merge the video. So how we're going to merge it is very easily. So just press, there's an empty column is over here. Just press it here and press delete button on the keyboard. Just press delete. You see, this is already merged. And press one more time from here and just press delete. Okay, you may see this is already it's already merged everything. Yes, that's it. It's very easy, right? That's very easy. I'm sure you guys managed to do this. It's very easy way. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more tutorials. See you on the next video.